Ring Container Technologies is a multinational, privately held consumer packaging company located with our headquarters in Oakland, Tennessee, but with our plants spread across North America and Europe. We have approximately 1.5 million plastic bottles that we send to market on a yearly basis. Our business initiatives from a manufacturing perspective are stronger, faster, and lighter. One of the ways that we can achieve that alignment is by taking advantage of the tools that Infor has embedded, which include RPA and AI, which offer us the opportunity to take inefficiencies out of the process and just make it simpler.
Using artificial intelligence, Infor is now helping us to find gaps in our physical inventory and affords us the ability to correct that within hours as opposed to days in the past. We label each finished goods unit with a unique identifier, and oftentimes these labels are not available or go missing. It's important for our users to have this information in a timely manner because it impacts the accounting of raw material, and also it impacts the availability of inventory in our ERP in order to fulfill a shipment when it's needed. Our users were taking the information that they were collecting at the end of the day to find the gaps in the inventory. With AI, our users have a dashboard that is presented to them when they first log into the ERP, and they can identify any missing physical inventory and can begin to work on resolution right away. It's also helping us to identify cost savings managing our physical inventory.
As we grow as a company, we obviously don't grow with resources, etc. So we are very dependent on the tools that Infor has provided.
Infor is helping us meet these challenges by affording us a short time to market. We are able to develop these solutions within weeks. We're now automating our collection and storage of signed bills of lading at each of our manufacturing sites by leveraging Infor's robotic process automation. The process we had in place to help us with customer resolution was not efficient, and we needed to be able to improve on the time it took to retrieve information to solve our customers' exceptions. One of our plants was having an individual collect all the signed bills of lading at the end of the day, and then the paper was stored in a filing cabinet. With the robotic process automation, our end users scan the signed pieces of paper that the truck driver leaves behind, and then those files are then captured by the robotic process automation, and they are then stored in IDM and presented in the ERP. Now the customer's problem is solved within seconds instead of hours or days. Our staff concentrate on what they are best at, which is manufacturing plastic containers.
The most interesting thing that I've learned through this experience with Infor is just how flexible their tool set is and how quickly we can deliver solutions to our end users. We know that Infor will be a partner with us as we embark on our integration between manufacturing robotics technology and information technology.